Hello, everyone. This is Diane Zimmerman, the Powerful Biz Woman, and thank you for tuning in to this Saturday edition of the Ultimate Biz Conversation with the Powerful Biz Woman. And I will be coming on every day for the next 2 weeks because we are the Ultimate Biz team. We are doing a Mother's Day contest. It's called the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz Mother's Day contest. And what we are doing is we are asking those mompreneurs out there to enter our contest. And we want you to share your story about a challenge that you have had to face as a business owner when starting your business or trying to take your business to the next level, and how you overcame that challenge. And also, we're looking for those mom entrepreneurs who are sitting on the fence and who don't know if they want to start their business or not. We want you to answer the question, why do you want to start your business? What fear factor is holding you back from starting your business? And where do you need help? How can we help you stop sitting on the fence and turn that hobby into a profitable business, or turn that dream of business ownership into reality? And I'm just so excited about this because this is something that we came up with. Long story short, I went to Las Vegas for the retreat that Coach Ree has. And for a long time, I always felt that the ultimate biz consultants could not do certain campaigns like Mother's Day campaigns, Father's Day campaigns, holiday campaigns. But then during that 3-day retreat, I realized, yes, we can. You just got to think outside of the box. So this is the first time that the Ultimate Biz Consultants is doing this Mother's Day contest, and we plan to do it on a yearly basis. And I'm just so excited. So for the UBC Mother's Day campaign, we started it Thursday and it's going to go until May the 6th. And here's the link where you can register for this Mother's Day contest. So with the Ultimate Biz Consultants Mother's Day contest, it is open for full-time entrepreneurs, part-time mompreneurs, moms with side hustles, moms with hobbies, and even moms who have that desire to start their own business. And the one thing that you will be able to win in this contest is we are going to pick 3 winners who have the best story about a challenge they face when they opened their business, or when they took their business to the next level. What was that one challenge you faced, and how did you overcome that challenge? Or if you are a wannabe mompreneur and you haven't decided if you wanted to start your business or you're afraid to, we want you to let us know what is holding you back. What fear factor is holding you back, and how you want to overcome that fear. So the Mother's Day contest will be running. It started Thursday and it'll be running until May the 6th. And here's the form where you can go ahead and register. But today, I'm going to give you what we're going to talk about is how to protect your business assets in 3 simple steps. So I am going to be giving you 3 simple steps that you need to take when it comes to your business, how to protect your business. So we're going to go ahead and do that. But the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to put the information in the feed about the Mother's Day campaign. But the first tip that I want to give you when it comes to starting your own business is the first tip I want to give you is that tip number 1, you have to have a clear understanding that you are the owner of your business and everything stops at your door. And when I talk about this tip, a lot of business owners still have this concept of that they are an employee and they're not the employer. You got to change your mindset when you become a business owner. You have to have a clear understanding that what it means to be a business owner, what it means for you to be the owner of the business. And number 1, it means that you are in charge of that business. You are the one who makes the final decisions when it comes to your business, rather to promote a new product, rather to introduce a new product, rather than introduce a new service package, rather to hire an expert to help you. Like if you need to get your website upgraded or create your website, you are the one who decides which website developer you are going to use. You are the one who has to decide whether you're going to hire an employee or use a 1099 independent contractor. You are the one who decides how much money you're going to spend in your business. You are the one who decides what type of what type of services your business needs, how you're going to spend your money. You are the one who decides that. At the end of the day, you are the one who's responsible for making sure that all your business bills are paid on time. You are the one who is responsible for all liabilities and debt that comes with your business. That's why you got to change your mindset from entrepreneur, from employee to employer. You are the boss. At the end of the day, every decision falls on you. Every important decision about your business falls on you. And you have to have that mindset and understanding that I am the boss. I am the CEO of this business. I am the one who makes the decision. And you must act like that. You must act like you are the boss. Stop acting like the employee when it comes to your business, where you're just working on your business and not working in your business. When you change your mindset from an employee mindset to an employer mindset, you take your business more seriously. You realize that at the end of the day, if you don't work with your social media manager to get the content out there regarding your business, it won't get out there. You are the one who has to decide when it comes to your business, how am I going to get customers to my business? You are the one who has to make your brand stand out. That's why it's very important for you to change that mindset that you have of being an employee to being the employer. So that's tip number one, is that you have to understand that you are now in a position of a boss, of an employer, of a leader. So that's the first thing. You have to change your mindset. Tip number two is you must understand the legal aspects of business ownership. So this is tip number two. So you must have a clear understanding of the legal aspects of being in business. That's why it's very important for you to start building your dream team, your business dream team. And the first person that you should have on your business dream team is an attorney. You need to consult with an attorney to decide, how am I going to legally structure my business? How am I going to protect my business assets and my personal assets? You must have a clear understanding of what it means to legally be in business. That's why it's very important for you to hire an attorney. So the first person you need to hire on your business dream team is an attorney. You need to get an attorney. And I emphasize this all the time. First person to hire is an attorney. And the reason why I say this is an attorney will help you understand what it means to legally be in business. An attorney will give you the tools and resources you need to legally protect your business. So that's why it's important for you to hire an attorney. A lot of people sit there and they'll start a business, but they won't have an attorney on record to help them protect that business. You have to be in a position where your business is legally sound, is on a strong legal foundation, and an attorney will give you the tools and resources to help you legally protect your business. And you have to be willing to do that and not be afraid to talk to an attorney. A lot of business owners say, oh, I can't afford an attorney. Yes, you can afford an attorney. If you can go on vacation, if you can go on a cruise vacation, you could take some of that money and hire an attorney. So it is very important for you to hire an attorney, because an attorney will give you the tools and resources you need. And the first thing an attorney will help you with is to give you a clear understanding of why it's important for you to separate yourself personally from your business. Why it's important for you to make your business a separate entity from you. It is okay to do the sole proprietorship in the first couple of years of being in business. But once you start making a little bit of money, I don't care if you just made $500 last year, your business should be legally structured as an LLC, S Corp, corporation, limited liability partnership. Once you start bringing in money and having regular customers, regular revenue generating in your business, it's time for you to stop doing the sole proprietorship and start being a true business as a limited liability company, S Corp, limited partnership. And when you talk to an attorney, they will let you know, depending on what phase of your business you are in, what business legal entity is the best one for you. So an attorney will help you decide how to legally set up your business. So that's very important. And you can afford an attorney. You can really afford an attorney, and don't be afraid to talk to an attorney. I'm just writing notes, so please forgive me, but it's very important for you to have an attorney on your business dream team. And I have to emphasize that all the time, that it's very important for you to decide how you're going to legally set up your business. So an attorney will help you decide which legal entity is good for your business. So let's go over the tips again. So tip number one is you have to have a clear understanding that you are the owner of your business, and everything stops at your door. So you got to understand you are no longer the employee. You are the owner of your business, and you got to act like the employer. You got to change your mindset, because a lot of people, when they start a business, they still have the employee mindset. They, like, oh, I'll work on my business when I feel like it. I'll do stuff when I want to, but then you get upset because you're not generating the revenue that you need, that you want to make in your business. You're not getting those paying customers that you want. When you have that employee mindset, you work as an employee. You just there thinking you collecting a paycheck, that your business is just going to pay you. No, when you really, really are into your business, you will change your mindset and have the mindset of an employer. So you need to have that employer mindset, where you know that if you do not work on your business or do anything in your business, you will not make money in your business. So you got to change your mindset. You got to have the employer mindset. Get rid of that employee mindset, because that employee mindset will leave you broke. And for a long time, I had that employee mindset where I've worked on my business when I felt like it. There are going to be times when you got to work on your business when you don't feel like it. There are going to be times when you don't feel like doing something when it comes to your business, and you're going to have to do it. If you want to get those customers, if you want to attract those people to your business, you got to be like an employer. You got to show up when you don't feel like showing up. Because as an employee, you can fake sick and let your employer know that I'm not going to show up, because you're only getting a paycheck. But your boss, your leader, they have to show up, because they are the employer. They have to take your place and show up. So with tip number one, you have to have a clear understanding that you are the owner of your business, and everything stops at your door. So read self-help books. Read books that teach you how to be a great leader. Read books that teach you how to be a great business owner. Sometimes we need to get that mindset together. And there are a lot of great self-help books that let you know that you are the leader. You can be the leader, but you got to be willing to put in the work. So that's the first thing. Stop thinking like an employee when it comes to your business, and stop being like an employer. And then tip number two is you have to have understand the legal aspects of being in business. And the first person you need to hire on your business dream team is an attorney. And the reason why you want to hire an attorney will help you decide which legal entity is good for your business. It is okay in the first couple of years to do the sole proprietorship thing, but you got to understand, as the sole proprietor, you are responsible for everything. You are responsible for all liabilities and debts. You are responsible personally. When I say you are responsible, I'm talking about personally. If you don't pay a certain debt and a creditor wants to sue you, they can come after your personal assets like your house, your personal bank account, anything that you own. That's why it's very important for you to put up legal defenses. You need to build a strong legal foundation when it comes to your business and understand what it means to legally protect your business. That's why the Ultimate Biz Consultants focus on educating business owners on the legal and financial aspects of business, because a lot of business coaches, a lot of experts do not want to talk about that. It's a lot of business or attorneys out there, but a lot of people are afraid to approach them. So we're like that middleman. We tell you what you need to do legally and financially to protect your business, and then we will connect you with the right attorneys that you need, with the right financial experts that you need. Because for some reason, it's a lot of business owners out there who are afraid to address the issue of legally and financially protecting their business. They'd rather go to a business coach who will teach them how to, promote and market their products and services. Teach them how to get all those customers, teach them how to make $10,000 a month, but they don't want to get with a business educator like the Ultimate Biz Consultants or an attorney or a financial expert who can help you protect that money, keep that money coming in, and not lose that money from a legal or financial standpoint. So that's why the Ultimate Biz Consultants do what we do. You don't want to hear it, but we're going to keep preaching it to you until you get it. Like when I did my show on Wednesday, one of my clients, Angel, said, because of you, I got an attorney, I got an accountant, I got a check system, because you helped me clearly understand what it means to legally and financially protect my business. And that's what the Ultimate Biz Consultants do. We are not here to scare you. We are here to educate you, to teach you how to legally and financially protect your business. And the first thing you need to do is create that business dream team. And the first person that should be on your business dream team is an attorney, because an attorney will help you legally protect your business. That's what attorney job is, to keep you out of legal trouble. And that's why you need an attorney. You need an attorney. I'm just typing this so people understand. So you need an attorney. So you don't want to get in legal trouble and then go to attorney. You want to have an attorney on retainer in the beginning, because it will cost you less if you have that attorney on retainer in the beginning. So if someone decides to sue you or someone is trying to steal your brand, you have that attorney right there with you. So attorney's job is to keep you out of legal trouble. Don't wait until you get into legal trouble to hire that attorney, because it's going to cost you like $10,000. So if you have an attorney on retainer, let's compare this. You hire that attorney and put them on retainer. They help you set up your business. They help you put legal processes and systems in place, and the attorney only charges you $2,000. So say you get that one person who says, hey, you stole my brand. But you have trademarked your brand, you have set up your business as a corporation and everything, and you have all your legal processes and systems in place to protect your business. So when that person decides to sue you, claiming that you stole their brand, it'll be a lot cheaper for you, because you already hired that attorney, and that attorney helped you set up everything, compared to You out here, you're doing business, getting the customers, making the money, but you don't have no legal systems or legal processes in place. You haven't hired an attorney to help you, and someone decides to sue you because they said you stole their brand. It's cheaper to have the attorney in the beginning than to try to hire the attorney after the fact, because it'll cost you $10,000 after the fact compared to before being sued. So think about that. $2,000 before being sued compared to $10,000 after being sued. I think I would rather give that attorney that $2,000 up front to help me legally set up my business. That's the most important thing about an attorney. And when you have an attorney on record, they are like a protector. They are like a buffer for you. Whenever someone sends you some legal documents, or you have to deal with some disgruntled employee, disgruntled customer, you send it to your attorney. That's the attorney's job. They are there to protect you. Attorney's job is to legally protect your business. So you don't have to do that. You don't have to worry about that. So that is one thing you don't have that is on your plate that you don't have to deal with. Your attorney will deal with it. So the attorney's job is to legally protect your business. You don't need to send a cease and desist order letter to someone when you have an attorney of record to do that. You just let your attorney know. You pay them the fee and they will take care of it. You get that letter from a disgruntled employee or disgruntled customer who wants to sue you, you send that information to your attorney and they will handle it. Of course, you will have to pay for their fees, but the fees won't be that expensive because you have already paid your attorney and retainer up front. That's the most important. You need to make sure that you pay those upfront legal costs so that your business is protected. So I'm going to put this up there to make sure your business is protected. That's very important. And that's what you do. That's why you have a retainer. That's why attorneys take retainers, so that if something happens, you just send them the letter and they'll deal with it. So pay upfront legal costs to keep your business legally protected. Always have money saved up for the legal part of being in business. And another way to legally protect your business is you need to make sure, if you are a business coach, life coach, business educator, business consultant, you need to have personal liability insurance. And there's a lot of coaches out there, and I ask them all the time, did you get your liability insurance? They're like, no, I'm gonna get it. And then it's too late. You need professional liability insurance. Sorry about that. Professional liability insurance. Because if you are giving advice to anybody out there, if you are educating people out there like myself, you need professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance is very important for you to have if you are a service-based business. And this is another way that you legally protect your business, because I am shocked when I talk to business owners, especially those business coaches, life coaches, holistic coaches, and I ask them, do you have professional liability insurance? No. What is that? What professional liability insurance is it's not just for doctors. Doctors have medical malpractice insurance. Attorneys have professional liability insurance. And life insurance agents have it. Accountants have it. If you are providing services to anyone and you are taking money for those services, you need professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance protects you as a professional expert. It makes sure that if anyone you give advice or educate and they take that advice and they feel that they didn't get the end results that they wanted and they paid you your money and they decide to sue you, you have that professional liability insurance to protect you, especially if you are a service-based business. This goes out to counselors, life coaches, holistic coaches, business consultants, business educators. This goes out to anyone who puts coach at the end of their name. Whether you are helping people publish books, you need professional liability insurance. Because you can say, well, I'm a publisher. It doesn't matter. You are a service-based business. You are providing a service. You are educating people how to self-publish their books. So you need professional liability insurance, because you may get that one customer where you help them self-publish their book and they thought they were going to make a lot of money from that book, and they don't get the end results that they thought that you promised them, and they decide to sue you and they tell you, I want my money back. It doesn't matter if you put a disclaimer in a contract that says that all sales are final. It doesn't matter if you put a disclaimer in there and say that you cannot sue me. I provided you services and I gave you the services you want. You still can be sued. And people have filed frivolous lawsuits against other people. Anyone can file a lawsuit against you. So if you are a service-based business, like I said with tip number 2, you want to legally protect your business, understand the legal aspects of business ownership. First of all, you have to understand you are the owner of your business, and all liabilities and debts stop at your door. An attorney will help you decide which legal entity is good for your business. You want to stop doing the sole proprietorship as soon as you start making money in your business. And the first person you should hire in your business dream team is an attorney. And another important thing is you need to pay that retainer. A retainer is upfront legal costs to keep your business legally protected. And another way to protect your business is through professional liability insurance. Because if you are a service-based business, I don't care if you are helping people write a book, publish a book, get their life together, teach them how to take care of their body in a holistic way, helping them to lose weight, helping them to start a business, you better have professional liability insurance. And a lot of people don't want to talk about this. A lot of people don't want to hear this. That's why the Ultimate Biz Consultants do what we do. Because you need to understand this stuff. So when you go to that attorney, you know what questions to ask. And the second person you need on your business dream team to help you legally protect your business is an insurance agent. As an insurance agent will explain to you why you need professional liability insurance. You know, an insurance agent is the second person who legally helps you protect your business. First is the attorney, and then it's the insurance agent. And if you are out there like a speaker and you're giving conferences and giving events, you need protection, because a lot of venues now are asking, event planners to make sure that their host has insurance. You need professional liability insurance to protect you from your customers if you are a service-based business. And also, if you are one of those business owners who gives a lot of conferences, workshops, vending events, pop-up shops, you need insurance too as well, because a lot of these venues will not allow you to host an event at their venue, like hotels, a lot of these brick and mortar hub places where, small business owners can be. They are going to ask you, do you have some type of insurance to protect yourself and protect them? Because when you are giving events, someone who is attending your event, they may get hurt at the event, and trust and believe they're going to sue. And the individuals that own the venue, they're going to let you know up front, we are not responsible for any liabilities or accidentals that may happen. You need insurance. And that's when a business insurance agent comes in place. You want to get with an insurance agent who has experience working with businesses, who understands the type of insurance you need to legally protect your business. So you need to make sure you have all insurances in place, especially if I forgot what they call it. It's something like venue insurance that you need when you're giving events, but an insurance agent will explain that to you. An insurance agent will tell you all types of insurance you need as a business owner. So these are the two people you really need on your business dream team. That's the insurance agent's job, to let you know what types of business insurance you need. So if you are out here doing events and stuff, you better get ready, especially since the pandemic. A lot of venues are no longer allowing you to give events without making sure you have insurance. And an insurance agent will tell you. And there are some insurances where you just need it temporarily for that one event. You know, insurances, I forgot what you call it. If there's an insurance agent out there, I call it venue insurance, where you protect yourself and you protect, yourself as your event planner, you protect your event planner, and you protect yourself as a host. But a business insurance agent will let you know what type of insurance you need when you are giving events, workshops, conferences. Because when you think about these major corporations that give a lot of business events, trust and believe they have the insurance in place. So for tip number 2, when it comes to legally protecting your business, you must understand the legal aspects of business ownership. The first person you need to hire is an attorney, and the next person you need to hire is an insurance agent. And also, you must make sure that you have professional liability insurance, especially if you are a service-based business. And be willing to give your attorney a retainer to pay upfront legal costs to keep your business legally protected. So whenever you get some crazy letter from a disgruntled employee or disgruntled customer, dissatisfied customer who says, I'm going to sue you, you can send it to your attorney because you have paid them a retainer. Always be willing to pay your attorney a retainer. That's one important thing. And when we talk about retainer, the reason why you want to make sure you are willing to pay an attorney your retainer is because you want to protect your money. That's the most important. So you will do whatever you need to do to protect your money. And that's the most important thing. That's how people clearly understand when you're trying to mess with someone's money, that's when people get upset. They'll do anything to protect their money. So you want to always be willing to pay your attorney a retainer to protect your business assets. That's why I always put the dollar signs to replace the S, because that's when people clearly understand. So you want to protect your money. So the first tip I want to go over again is tip number 1 is have a clear understanding that you are the owner of your business and everything stops at your door. And that's very important. You are no longer an employee. You are an employer, and you are legally responsible for all debts and liabilities that come with your business. Tip number 2, understand the legal aspects of being in business. And the first person you should hire on your business dream team to legally protect your business is an attorney. And the second person that you need to hire on your business dream team to legally protect your business is an insurance agent. These two individuals, attorney and insurance agent, are a must to legally protect your business. So, attorney and insurance agent are a must to legally protect your business. So you must have them on your business dream team at all times. You must have them on your business dream team at all times because it's very important. So you need an attorney, an insurance agent. on speed. I say on speed dial. So wherever you need something legally from a legal standpoint, you should have an attorney, an insurance agent on speed dial when it comes to protecting your business. And the final tip that I want to give you, tip number 3, is you must understand your business finances. Understand your business finances. So this is tip number 3. You must understand your business finances. As an employer, you are financially responsible for all debts and liabilities when it comes to your business, for all the bills that must be paid, for all the individuals that you hire to help you grow and sustain your business. That's your attorney, your insurance agent, your virtual assistant, your website developer. You are the one at the end of the day that must pay everything. And you must have a clear understanding of your profit and loss. You must know what a profit and loss statement is. You must have a clear understanding of your income tax when it comes to your business. You must stop letting your cousin Leroy, the tax preparer, do your taxes. You need to hire a tax professional like an IRS enrollee agent, an accountant, and a bookkeeper to help you with your business finances. Now, there are a lot of accountants out there who are not just an accountant, but they're also a bookkeeper. So that's very helpful. And the reason why you may want to hire an IRS enrollee agent is because I call them the attorneys of the IRS. They are the ones who can represent you if you have any issues with the IRS. And one thing that I have learned is that you do not want to mess with the IRS. That's one thing that I have learned, is that you don't want to mess. And my friend, accountant friend Sharif, that I know, whenever he gives presentations, this is the one thing he always says: you do not want to mess with these 3 letters, the IRS. You got to be careful when it comes to the IRS. You have to be smart and you have to be diligent when it comes to the IRS. You have to make sure that you have a clear understanding of what it means with your business finances compared to being an employee. When your employee took out all the deductions, like your state, federal, Medicare, Social Security, FICA, you are the one who has to pay those now, especially if you're hiring people to do business for you. And you must have a clear understanding to distinguish what is a 1099 and independent contractor and what is an employee. So you must have a clear understanding of what it means to be in business. That's very, very important. Very important. So tip number 3 is you must be willing to do what it takes to financially protect your business. On a legal standpoint, to legally protect your business, you must have legal systems and processes in place. That's why it's important for you to hire an attorney and insurance agent, because they will help you legally protect your business. From a financial standpoint, how to financially protect your business, you must hire that accountant, bookkeeper, and even a financial planner, because you're not going to be in business forever. So there is going to be a time where you must have an exit strategy when it comes to your business. You must have an exit strategy and understand when you are going to leave your business, when you are going to shut down your business, when you are going to decide it's time for me to put my business up and it's time for me. You need an exit strategy from a financial standpoint. From a legal standpoint, an attorney will help you create an exit strategy. I got it in an independent contractor will help you with an exit strategy as well. Insurance agent will help you get that insurance for the exit strategy. So you really need to to make sure you have an exit strategy. Daddy, can you just go because you're loud? Sorry about that. But also what you need is you also need to well, a Facebook user said every year I've been doing my taxes myself. I never had a problem. This year I decided to hire someone. Now I owe them. I was afraid that was going to happen. Well, when you hire an accountant or a IRS enrolling agent, you have to pay them. And maybe you make more money this year because you got to have an understanding that, I'm just giving you educational purposes. You may want to talk to your accountant to find out why you owe money, but maybe you made more money this year and you had to pay more taxes, but you still should have an accountant, you know, on your business dream team, because they can really help you with your taxes. It's okay to do your own taxes to a certain point, but there will come a point in your business where you won't have the time to do it. And you will need that help. And I have old taxes but I still have my accountant do the taxes, because for me, that is one less task that I have to deal with. And I can focus on other parts of my business, like, getting the name out there about my business, talking about my brand. Instead of spending hours doing my taxes, I would rather have a professional help me with my taxes. There are going to be times as a business owner that you will owe money and that you won't owe money. And when you hire that professional, they explain to you why you owe money and sometimes why you don't owe money. You may have made more money this year than you've ever made before. You may have had less expenses this year than you had before. So that's probably why you owe money, but you need to have a discussion with your accountant and make sure it's an accountant and not a tax preparer. When you are in business, you should not have a tax preparer to do your business taxes. You need a tax professional to do your business taxes. A tax professional is good to do like your independent taxes if you are an employee. This is just my opinion only. I am not telling you if you want to continue with a tax preparer, that's for you. But there are tax professionals out there who do nothing but business taxes, and you have to choose the right one. You have to do your due diligence. And what I always tell people is ask for referrals from your business colleagues, from your business buddies, from your business accountability partners. Ask them for a referral, because that's the best way to get the best bang for your buck. But don't be upset if you may have owed some money. Just ask your accountant. And that's what accountants do. They don't just do your taxes. You ask them questions. Why do I owe money this year? Why didn't I owe money last year? And they will break the numbers down to you. That's why it's important as a business owner. You have to have that mindset of being willing to learn, to understand, to grow. That's what a tax professional does. They sit down with you. Your bookkeeper sits down with you and explains the numbers to you. Your accountant sits down with you and explains your income tax returns to you. They explain your profit and loss statements. They explain, your liability, your income statements. They explain all of your financial statements. So if you have a question like, hey, I did my taxes for the last 3 years by myself and I never owed any money, and now I hired you, why do I owe money? Sit down with your tax professional. Sit down with your accountant or your IRS enrolling agent, and they will explain to you why you may have owed money. You may have made more money. You may have had less expenses. Sit down with them. Before they file that tax return for you, say, hey, I need you to explain this to me. That's what they do. That's their job, and they will explain it to you. And I don't understand why people are afraid to talk to a tax professional or talk to an attorney or an insurance agent. It's nothing for you to be afraid. They are here to help us as business owners. An attorney, an insurance agent, and an accountant would rather explain stuff to us if we ask. explain it to us to keep us in business, because as long as we are in business, they stay in business. So don't be afraid to talk to your accountant. And that's one less job you have to deal with when it comes to your business. A lot of problems with us business owners are: one, we are cheap; two, we don't want to spend money. One and two, cheap and don't want to spend money. Three, we don't want to give up control of our business. And four, we think we can do everything ourselves. So we got to stop being cheap. We got to be willing to spend money. We got to be willing to give up some of the hats when it comes to being a business owner. And we got to be willing to delegate work. Because if you try to wear all the hats, if you try to be your own attorney, your own tax accountant, your own insurance agent, you shouldn't even be in business. Because especially if you're a service-based business, and you're a business coach, life coach, holistic coach, you expect your customer to give up some power and give some power to you so you can make their life better. So you can help them, get that website done. So you can help them publish that book. So why do you expect your customers to give up a little bit of power, but you're not willing to give up a little bit of power? And one of somebody on Facebook said, yes, that's true. You have to be willing to let other people do the work. Let that accountant handle your books. Let that bookkeeper handle your books, but always meet with them on a monthly basis so you'll understand your numbers, just in case something happens to your accountant or something happens to your bookkeeper. I'm not telling you to give up all complete control of your business finances to your bookkeeper, your accountant, the IRS enrollee agent. You still have a little control. With QuickBooks, you can keep all your business finances in QuickBooks or FreshBooks, and that will help you understand. So when you meet with your accountant, you both can look at your business numbers. You should always keep yourself abreast of everything that, when it comes to your business from a legal and financial standpoint. It's very, very important to do that. So I hope these tips are very helpful to you. And one more person that can help you financially protect your business is a banker. You need to build a relationship with a good banker. Get with a good bank. And banker. That's the last tip that I'm going to give you underneath these tips, is that you need to get with a good banker. You need to make sure you have a banker on your team. So to legally protect your business, you need your attorney and you need an insurance agent. To financially protect your business, you need a tax professionals, which include a bookkeeper, accountant, IRS enrollee agent, and a financial planner, so that you can financially prepare for retirement and have that exit strategy, because you're not going to be in business until the day you die. And also, you need a good banker, because it's okay in the beginning to do business from your personal account, but then after you really start making money, I don't care if you just make $500 in a year with your business, you need to open a separate business account and pay all of your business liabilities and debts from your business bank account, because you cannot commingle your personal and business assets. After a while, the IRS will get you, and you can be in trouble with the IRS. And like I said, there are 3 letters you don't want to mess with, as my accountant friend Sharif say, the IRS, Internal Revenue Service. So it's very important for you to get with a good banker, financial planner, accountant, or IRS enrollee agent. And the difference between a regular accountant and IRS enrollee agent is that an IRS enrollee agent can be your defense if the IRS decides to audit you. Now, there are some accountants who are also IRS enrollee agents, and then there are some who are not. There are some accountants who are not just accountants, but they're bookkeepers. So if you can get an accountant who is a bookkeeper and an IRS enrollee agent, that's the best bang for your buck, because you don't have to have a bookkeeper and an accountant and an IRS enrollee agent. And you can ask them that question. So I'm going to put that in there so you'll understand. IRS enrolled agent. I don't know why I say enrollee agent. Enrolled agent is an accountant or tax professional who can assist you if you get audited by the IRS or the IRS wants to speak to you about your taxes. So that's what an IRS enrolled agent is. They are someone who is an accountant or tax professional who can assist you if you get audited by the IRS or the IRS wants to speak to you about your taxes. So you want to get an IRS enrolled agent. Don't ask me why I keep saying enrolling. It's enrolled agent. That is an accountant or tax professional who has a special relationship with the IRS. I call them the attorneys of the IRS, the financial attorneys to me, but they're not attorneys. So scratch that. But that's my little nickname that I give them, because they can talk directly to the IRS. They can be basically what they are your spokesperson when you need to deal with the IRS. If the IRS says, oh, you owe us this amount of money, they can be your spokesperson. Of course, they're going to cost, but it's worth the money. So I hope these tips are very helpful. So let's review the tips real fast, and then I hope you enjoy the rest of your beautiful weekend. I just wanted to pop on. So tip number 1, have a clear understanding that you are the owner of your business and everything stops at your door. You are no longer the employee. You are the employer. You are responsible for hiring and firing people. You are responsible for all debts and liabilities. You are responsible for deciding what services you need to take your business to the next level. And then tip number 2 is you need to have an understand the legal aspects of being on business ownership. Understand what a sole proprietorship is. Understand what a legal limited liability company is. Understand what a limited liability partnership is. What is an S corp? What is a corporation? And you should incorporate your business. Sole proprietorship means that you are solely responsible for everything that happens in your business. The debts, the liabilities, anything that goes wrong in your business. If a client decides to sue you, if someone decides to sue you, they provided services and you haven't paid them and they decide to sue you, you will be personally liable. That's why it's very important for you. It's okay to do sole proprietorship. I say for the first 2 years of business. After that, you need to incorporate, which is a buffer where you are somewhat separated from your business. And an attorney will explain that to you. What personal liability means, what business liability means. So the first person on your business dream team to legally protect your business is an attorney. That's very important. An attorney's job is to keep you out of legal trouble. Attorney's job is to legally protect your business. And you must be willing to pay that retainer, which is the upfront cost to keep your business legally protected. The second person who helps you legally protect your business is an insurance agent. And if you are a service-based business, like accountants, lawyers, and doctors need professional liability insurance, you out here being a business coach, you out here being a life coach, holistic coach, business educator, you better have some professional liability insurance. And I know a lot of coaches out there, and I have asked them, and they still don't have professional liability insurance. And I tell them, why don't you have your liability insurance? Oh, I'm going to get it. And then they wait. And then they're calling me, Danya, do you know a good attorney? Because I'm being sued by this client because they say that the services I provided, they didn't get the end results. Do you have professional liability insurance? No. Duh. If you would have had professional liability insurance, all you had to do was give that complaint to your insurance agent, to your insurance company, and they hire attorneys to protect you. That's what professional liability, just like you make sure you have car insurance, and when you get in a car accident, the insurance company hires an attorney to protect you, to represent you. Just like you have homeowners insurance for your home. If someone gets injured at your home, you give your information to your home insurance company. They hire an attorney to protect you and your home. That's what professional liability insurance is. And I am tired of seeing coaches out here coaching people, but they're not protecting themselves. It's good to have an attorney, but you should have a second buffer, which is professional liability insurance. And as my friend Aretha said, she has professional liability insurance. She said this when she was on my show, The Ultimate Business Conversation, a month ago. If you have enough money to get your nails done and your feet done on a weekly or bi-weekly basis for $50 each time, $50 times 2 is $100. It only costs you $100 per month to get professional liability insurance. That's why you need to have an insurance agent. So you need to hire that attorney and an insurance agent. And then tip number 3, you must understand your business finances. You must understand how to financially protect your business. And the people that help you with that is a tax professional, a bookkeeper, an accountant, an IRS enrolled agent, and a banker. These are the people who will financially help you with your business. And for someone who is asking, who is an IRS enrolled agent? That is an accountant or tax professional who can assist you if you get audited by the IRS or the IRS wants to speak to you about your taxes. They help you. So I hope this information was very helpful. And if you want to stay up to date, because this is all we talk about is the legal and financial aspects of being in business, you need to subscribe to our website. Just go to www.ultimatebizconference.com. And once you get up there, you'll see the subscription button. Hit that subscription button and subscribe to our website, because we are always talking about this. We have video blogs, we have blogs, all kinds of information. And if you want to stay in contact with us, just subscribe and hit this Bentley and hit contact. But the best way to do it is go to www.ultimatebizconference.com and hit the subscription button so that you can stay up to date with everything. And if you are a business owner or a business owner who has a desire to start your own business, but you want to understand the legal and financial aspects of being in business, we offer a Bankrupt Proof Your Biz checkup. It's a 20-minute consultation. And all you got to do is go to www.ultimatebizconference.com and hit the contact us button and let us know that you want to set up a consultation, and we will send you the schedule, the calendar to do it. Or you can just go to bit.ly, bit.ly/UBC Connect to set up your 20-minute biz checkup. And all we focus on is the legal and financial part of being in business. And I am so excited that we are having our Mother's Day, the Ultimate Biz Consultants Mother's Day contest. It is called the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz Mother's Day contest. And it is running from 4/21/22. It already started Thursday. The last day to enter the contest is May the 6th at 6 p.m. And what you will win is the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get up, because sometimes I try to get stuff up on my screen and it acts crazy. So I'm going to share my screen so you'll know where to go to what you'll win. in this contest. And I hope that you decide to enter the contest. We got a few people that have entered. And when you enter the contest, the question that you're going to answer is, if you are a mompreneur, because it's open to mompreneurs since it's Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day campaign, and it's open to mompreneurs. And as a mompreneur, if you are a mompreneur who has been in business for 1 year or more, we want you to answer this question. What was the biggest challenge you faced starting your business, and how did you overcome that challenge? And the reason why we want you to answer this question is because there may be some moms out there who want to start their own business, but they are afraid to do so. So if they hear your stories, they will be willing to start their business. You never know that you can be an inspiration to another mother out there, another woman out there who wants to start her own business, and your story can encourage them. So this is the contest, how you'll enter the contest. So, this is the contest information, and it's open to anyone. The contest is open to mothers of all ages who are full-time mompreneurs, part-time mompreneurs, working mothers with side hustle, stay-at-home mothers with side hustle, and mothers who want to turn their hobby into a legitimate business, or mothers who want to start a business, but they're afraid to. And you can enter from 4/20, it already started, until May the 6th, the last by 6 p.m. And what you will win is, you will win the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz box in the digital version. And with this Bankrupt Proof Biz box, it will give you all the information you need to legally and financially set up your business. You'll get an introductory letter from us. You'll get the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz biz ebook with tips on how to legally and financially protect your business. You will get a business plan workbook so that you can set up your business. Whether it's a new business or you've been in business, everyone should have a business plan. You will get a 31-day startup business journal. This will help you legally and financially, the first 31 days to legally and financially set up your business. And you will have access to the UBC 2021 Bankrupt Proof Your Biz conference recordings, where we had financial experts and legal experts give tips. So you actually get to see what our ultimate business conference is about. And also, anyone who enters the contest will get the ebook, UBC Startup Tips book, how to keep going when you want to give up on starting your business. So everybody who enters gets a copy of that. And here are the questions that you have to answer. If you have already started your business, what was the biggest challenge you faced starting your business? How did you overcome that challenge? Is there one part of your business that you need guidance or assistance in? And what type of guidance or assistance do you need in your business? And this was for anyone who's already in business. If you are not in business, you will answer question 2. If you have not started your business, what is the one fear that is holding you back from starting your business? Why is that fear holding you back? Do you need assistance to start your own business? If yes, what type of assistance? So you're either going to answer question 2 if you're not already in business, or answer question 1 if you are in business. And everybody who enters will get that ebook. And let me show you the ebook. And if you want to subscribe, you just hit this subscription page when you come to our website and just fill it out and subscribe. And anyone who subscribes will also get the ebook. But everybody who enters the contest and shares their story, this is the ebook that you will get right here. How to keep going when you feel like quitting. This is the ebook right here. How to keep going when you feel like quitting. Everybody will get that ebook, even if you subscribe or you enter the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz Mother's Day contest. But let me show you what you will get if you are one of our 3 top winners. You will get the UBC 2021 Bankrupt Proof Your Biz recordings. And you need an access pass to that. So you will get that. You will also get the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz business plan workbook, which is for anybody, even if you started your business and you don't have a business plan, this workbook will help you write your business plan out. So you will get that plus the recordings. So you'll also get the recordings. So you'll get the UBC 2021 recordings where we had tax professionals and legal professionals educate. So you're going to get a slew of business educators and take notes. And then you'll get this. You'll also get this. This will be part of the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz box as well. I'm sorry. Sometimes my stuff can be a little slow. But you'll get this. I already did that one. So let's show you the ebook. So, and this will be digital. So you can just go ahead and grab it, and print out what you want to print. Essential steps to bankrupt proof your biz from a legal and financial standpoint. And then you'll also get the 31 startup biz to help you track how you're doing with your goals for the first 31 days of legally and financially protecting your business, of setting up those legal systems and financial systems in place. Because a lot of people don't have that stuff in place. So we're going to pick 3 winners, and they're going to get the Bankrupt Proof Your Biz box, and I'm just so excited about that. So like I said, this is the contest rules, and you go there and the link is right here. So you would go to this link and enter the contest. So make sure you go to this link and enter the contest so you can win, and you can do the contest. Will be open until May the 6th at 6 p.m. And I thank you for tuning in, and I thank everybody for tuning in and being a part of this. I had a great time doing this because normally I only go live, but I said that I was going to go live. Thank you for letting me know you still have the questions up, but I was going to go live. I only go live like once a week, so I'm excited about that. But let me go ahead and put that subscription up again. If you want to the contest link for the Mother's Day campaign. It started Thursday and it runs until May the 6th at 6 p.m. And if you need me, and I'll go ahead and put it on Facebook as well, the link, so that you'll have it to enter the Mother's Day campaign. And I want to thank you so much for tuning into the Ultimate Biz Conversation. And I will be coming on every day until this campaign is over, giving some legal and financial tips on how to legally protect your biz assets. So I hope everyone has a great Saturday evening. Continue to enjoy this Saturday. And I want to thank you so much for tuning in to the Ultimate Business Conversation Saturday edition. Loved you. And I will see you again tomorrow. We're going to be doing this every day, but tomorrow I'm only going to be on for 15 minutes. So thank you so much for tuning in. Everybody have a great day. Love you. Bye.